everyone, it is me, Omega Mud. Today we are unboxing these two Hot Wheels cars. First up, let's unbox this Hot Wheels 1976 Greenwood Corvette with purple, orange and white stripe from SRP Modified to 10 with 11 out of 250. Customized cars with features like bigger spoilers, body kits, and other cool upgrades for personal style. There's a General Motors trademark, Goodyear trademark, Hearst and Gasket trademark. Let's unbox this car. The code says S38, that's the code. Let's review this. Front, we have no detail. Driver's side, rear, and passenger side, and the roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Let's unbox this Hot Wheels 1970 Plymouth Barracuda with blue and light blue from SW Roadsters 3.5 with 20 out of 250. Drop the top and live your dreams wherever you are driving. There's a Chrysler trademark and Mopar trademark. Let's unbox this car. The code says S38, that's the code. Front, we have no detail. Driver's side, rear, and passenger side, and the roof with no top. And that is cool, and that's it. That is a good looking car. Okay, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.